Welcome to our latest playground installation at Dheeraj Enclave in Borivali. We've set up a fantastic 2-unit FRP MAPS featuring an exciting FRP roller slide and a colorful deluxe wave slide. Kids can climb up using the rubber chain climber towards the roller slide or the rock climber towards the wave slide. Two vibrant canopies, shaped like a strawberry and a pineapple, provide shade. In the center, they'll find fun Tom and Jerry cartoon art plates. Plus, there's a 2-seater arc-shaped swing for extra fun and a cute duck spring rider. This playground is designed to bring joy and adventure to children.